Whoever knew we'd be up in this car. Whoever knew, go out and die without you, but not without you. You can live my life, babe, not without you. Whoever knew, I didn't even know at the time.
Royal Squad, welcome back to our channel, you guys. It's the Royals, and y'all already know it is Mookie. And y'all, today is April 11th, and me and Didi are moving into our new apartment, and we are so excited. I just signed the lease, just got the keys, did all my little, paperwork. And we are excited. This is our second apartment together, and y'all, I hope it's very bigger than our place now, so I'm super excited. The kids do not know that we're moving, so I think they're gonna be so excited to see their new room and everything like that. This move is finna be hectic, y'all. I already know. I'm going to try to vlog us moving out into the new place. We'll see how that goes, because I know it's gonna be hectic. My nieces are over helping me. Didi's brother's coming to come and help us to move all the stuff. So hopefully we will be done today. It's about, it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. So hopefully by the end of the day we're all moved in. If not, we'll be on day 2 tomorrow. So, and that's Easter, so I was trying to be done before Easter because we're trying to barbecue. So hopefully we're done. I'm not sure. Dang, and Didi has work tomorrow too. Or does he? He should call and see, because I don't know. But y'all, finna get Didi. We finna go look at the place. And then y'all, don't forget, it's going to be we will be doing an empty house tour. So thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and if you're a newbie, hey y'all, join the Royal family. But yeah, we finna go. I'm finna call Didi and tell him to come out, hopefully. So I will check in with y'all later. Babe. Babe. Yeah. Wake up. Did you wake up Ariana?
No, she's still asleep.
Okay, wake her up and tell her to watch the kids. I'm done. I'm at the car in the parking spot, the new one. Yeah, outside the door. You'll see me once you open up the doors. They're gonna have to wake up anyway, because we about to start moving and grooving and start packing up some stuff. Okay, Paris, it's your new house. You like it? Look, this is gonna be your room. Come here. Come here. Your room, this is gonna be your bathroom. You like it?
Yeah, that baby bathroom in my bathroom.
And Donnie bathroom?
Yeah, that baby bathroom.
It's all your bathroom. Huh? I know. I hate it.
I know.
They make a mess 24. They're gonna be eating up in here, girl, making.
You feel me, Collins? You sit there, you sit there, you sit there, you sit there. Sit in the kitchen over there, Collins.
I'm like, oh no.
God, no, you're not going like that.
No, this is my room. Here, your room over here, baby. Come on. Your room right there, straight ahead. Look, go ahead, look around. This is gonna be your new room, baby. Yeah, you got a closet. We gotta move them over from the old house to the new house.
Oh,
You like it?
yeah.
Okay, go look at the kitchen here. This way, look. Go that way. Yeah, the kitchen.
You like that, huh?
Get down.
She tried.
Look, yeah, this y'all new session. Look. That mean it ain't gonna be smoky up in
The
here.
other one had more room.
Yeah.
'Cause
Well-
it's wider, right?
This way.
Oh, yeah, well.
Because he would have to
Oh,
sit up
yeah.
normally over there.
Oh, we could be way over there, though. Huh? Yeah, we gotta get this. Let's see how they're talking about. Everything's upgraded. Yeah. Nigga, look, it got a timer on the lights.
Oh yeah. What? That.
Whoever knew that we'll make it this far? Whoever knew? Whoever knew we'll be up in this car? Whoever knew? Go out and die without you, but not without you. You can live my life, babe, not without you. Whoever knew?